Welcome to kidsacademy.mobi.
Hello everyone, let's open the worksheet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can find the link to this app in comments below. Hello, welcome back. Today we have a new worksheet and the name of our worksheet is called Sight Words Part 3. And let me talk about really quickly what a sight word is. Sight words, the key word here is sight. When you have sight or you see something, okay, this is a sight word. And a sight word are words that don't often follow the rules of the English language. So what we have to do is we have to just memorize these words. And we can try to sound them out, but often when we sound them out, they don't make sense. They don't follow the rules. So again, the best way is just to memorize them. And the way I like to memorize sight words is I like to just practice them over and over again. And that's what we're going to be doing today with our sight words. We're going to be looking and finding the correct sight word, and then we're going to practice them several times. And I'm going to show you a technique that we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. This says, check the correct spelling of each picture to complete the sentence below. Keep the same pictures and sentences. So number 1 says, the funny monkeys blank bananas. Let's look at the picture here. Here's 2 funny little monkeys, and what do they have in their hands? They have bananas, and what are they doing with the bananas? They're just holding them. So let's look and see if we can find the word hold. Let's look at this first one. The first one is H-O-L-B. This would be pronounced halb. So that doesn't sound correct, but often sight words don't sound correct, so that could be the correct answer. Let's look at the next one. The next one is H-A-L-D, and this is pronounced hald. So that one could or could not be the correct answer again, but it doesn't sound correct. And the next one is H-O-L-D, and the O is often pronounced like an ah sound when it is correct. So this one would also be ald, just kind of like this one. These two sound the same, hald and hald, but this is actually the correct spelling of the word hold. You know, in the word old, O-L-D, this is how we would spell old, and the H at the beginning makes a sound. So this is the word hold. This is the correct answer right here. So let's put a check next to it, but let's practice it so that we get it in our working memory and we can remember it really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to air write this word. So I want you to practice with me. H-O-L-D, hold. Let's try it again. H-O-L-D, hold. Okay, very good. Let's go on to the next one. Number 2 says, Zoe decided to blank nuts for the squirrel. Or it's probably pronounced Zoe. Zoe decided to blank nuts for the squirrel. So what did Zoe try to do? Did she bring nuts? Did she brang nuts? Or did she bing nuts? Now this one actually sounds correct, and not all sight words do, but let's go through these again. We've got B-R-I-N-G, we've got B-R-E-N-G, and we've got B-I-N-G. So on each one of them, they make the B sound. On this one, this makes a R-ing sound. This makes a R-ang sound, and this one makes an ing sound. So which one sounds like bring? Bring, brang, or bing? This one right here, right? This is the correct spelling, and it even sounds correct. So on this one, this is the correct answer here. But once again, because it's a sight word, it's a word that we need to put into our memory. So let's use our working memory and let's air write this out, okay? So we've got B-R-I-N-G, bring. B-R-I-N-G. Okay, let's go on to the next one, number 3. Does the kangaroo blank her baby in a pouch? Does the kangaroo carry her baby in a pouch is what we're trying to look for, is carry. So let's write out these 3 ways of spelling carry. We've got C-I-R-R-Y, C-A-R-R-Y, and C-E-A So let's sound these out. Eerie, Siri, carry, or eerie. So none of these sound like the word carry. So this is one of the words that we just have to memorize so that we will know which is the right answer. This is actually the correct spelling of the word carry. Carry. Okay, so let's practice this so we get into our working memory. So if we come across this word again, we'll know which one is correct. So we need to spell the word carry. Let's practice. Let's write together. Carry. Let's do it again. Carry. Carry. So we're going to come over here and we're going to check the correct spelling of the word carry. Okay, great job. We've got one more left. You're doing so awesome. Okay, number 4 says, my blank loves to ice skate. And there's a picture of a boy down here ice skating. And it looks like, when I look at the words, we're looking for the word brother. Okay, brother. So let's write out the 3 spellings of brother to try to determine which one is the correct spelling. So we've got BROTHOR, BROTHIR, and BROTHER. Okay, so let's go through these. All of these have the brr sound at the beginning, BR, burr. And then in this one, this looks like other, or other, brother. Okay, this kind of looks like this might be right. Let's go on to the next one. Ear, brothier. That one doesn't sound right, but it could be right because you remember sight words. Those are not always ones that follow the rules. The next one is brother. Okay, so these 2 to me sound like they might be correct. This is actually the correct way of spelling brother. This is one that we have to put to our working memory and just memorize and practice over and over again because it's a sight word. Sight words we just have to know by sight because we practiced them so many times that we're not sounding them out. We just remember what they are. So once again, let's practice the word brother. This is the correct spelling of the word brother, and I'm going to mark it right down here at the bottom. Okay, and let's practice in the air. Let's air write it so we put it to our memory. Okay, here we go. BROTHER. Let's try it again. BROTHER. Brother. One more time. BROTHER. Brother. Awesome job today, friends. We did all 4 of our sight words. You remember our sight words are hold, bring, carry, and brother. And hopefully after all our practice today, you will remember those the next time you see them. Okay? Great job. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps and comments below.